What's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we're going to do a pan-seared sesame crusted tuna with a Miso Mojo sauce. We're going to garnish it with some fried egg roll skins and a rainbow microgreen mix. It's also available at FoodPRO. This month's episode, we're going to feature a new line from Knorr, which is called the Intense Flavor line. We're going to use a Miso Umami, FoodPRO item number 95316, and a Citrus Fresh Intense Flavor, FoodPRO item number 95318. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with prepping for our mojo sauce. Now, mojo sauce is a traditional Latin sauce. It's similar to a chimichurri. And what I'm going to do is use some blended oil and get that heated up in a pan. This is about a quarter cup. Once that gets heated up, I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic that are chopped up and some serrano chili. Now, serrano chili is very similar to a jalapeno. They actually look very similar in shape and color, but they're a little bit hotter. We're also going to add a little bit of dried oregano and some cumin. So again, I just want to get it hot so that it'll help bring out these flavors. I'm going to add, this is 2 of these serrano peppers sliced. I'm only going to add half of this. So it's starting to bubble a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off. Again, I'm not trying to cook it, I'm just trying to bring the flavors out. Just a little pinch of the oregano. And a little pinch of the cumin. Sesame seeds will give it a little bit of flavor, but also make it look pretty. And about 10 to 12 seconds on either side just to get nice color on it and a good sear. All right, for one of our garnishes, we're gonna just fry up some egg roll skins. I basically just took a regular standard egg roll skin and quartered it into triangles on the diagonal. Like I said, it don't take too long for that thing to get brown and crispy. That'll be our garnish. Oil here with the cumin, the oregano, serranos, and the garlic. I'm going to use my food processor here. This is fresh squeezed orange juice, about a half a cup. It's going to give it a little bit of sweetness. About a quarter cup of chopped fresh cilantro. Blend that up a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my oil, peppers, garlic, and all that good stuff. I'll blend that some more. The intense flavors. The citrus, now this has mandarin, lime, and yuzu in it, some vinegar. It's going to give us our acid component. And these lines are called intense flavors because they're super reduced and intensified. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of this in here. And then I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of the miso. The miso has miso, obviously, which is your fermented soybeans, porcini mushrooms, and seaweed. It's going to give it an Asian flair. We'll put 3 tablespoons of that in there. Smells delicious. It's pretty green, spicy goodness. Now I'm going to add the remainder of these sliced serranos That's going to give it a little bit more texture. All right, to plate this thing, we have our nicely seared tuna. Just going to slice it. Put a little bit of our Miso Mojo sauce on the plate. Wonton wrappers. Our tuna. A little bit of our rainbow mix microgreens. Maybe a little bit more of the sauce. And there you have it. Sesame seared tuna, crispy egg roll wrappers, Miso Mojo sauce. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.